Are you spending hours on AI writing the sales emails that don't convert? Right? You're spending hours on using the chat GPT, and what is the end? The emails that not giving you the sales, not bringing you any results, right? You think like with the help of AI you can create the faster emails, but instead it's nothing working at all. Today I will going to give you my secret PASS formula that I use to create the high converting sales emails for my clients, right? And with the help of this, they get the results, they get the sales, they get the leads, and this converts so well for them, right? So I will show you how you can use the AI, but in a smart way to get the emails that actually converts for you. So let's see how you can do it. What's this PASS formula? So this formula consists of the four different things. First is persona, right? Who is your target audience? Like you need to know who are you going to target, right? Without knowing your target audience clearly, without letting the AI know who is your target audience, right? You can't never write up good sales emails. Second is the angle, right? So angle is most important, right? What what is the unique about your offer? What is different, right? That you are offering. What is what is you? Why are you special, or what is your specialty USP, right? That is need to be there. Third is the story, right? Your personal story, your about your business, about your service, what you bringing on the table, right? So that need to be there, right? Your own story, your business, and about all those details. So AI need to know all those things, so actually providing you the better results, right? So writing sales email is not that easy until you are giving the right formula to the AI. Now, next is the solution. There comes your actual offer, your actual solution that going to help them. Okay, so here, this brings when you combine all those things, it gives you the high converting AI sales emails, right? But you need to have include all of them in a very right way with the right prompts. Okay, what most people do, they go on the Chat GPT and then simply just type. Uh, they say like, write me a sales email for my uh in interior business, right? People like this and interior business, and I help. Uh, Female age 25 to 60 to switch career and become successful in life. I'm just giving an example like how people usually do. And then they click enter. Like after writing this, they think, okay, now AI will give me a very good sales image. Just think about it, what you missed over here. You did not give it properly detailed idea about like who is your ideal audience. Just saying like you are in an interior designing business, just saying like your audience is 35 to 60 and a woman. Do you think like just this is spelling like yeah, will correct it. So do you think like people will understand like who is actually your target audience? The AI will understand who is your real target audience and will able to give you the real idea, real context? No, it can't. So let's see what you actually did. So here, if you look over the subject and the result that we got. So do you ever find yourself asking, is it really what I am meant to doing? If you are a woman 35 to 60, stuck in career that no longer excites you, I want you to know you are not alone and interior design not just hobby. And well, I would say it is not generally that bad. And that's why you never realize that your email is not good enough. But once you send it to your email list, when you send it to your audience, you don't get no results, right? So now here is saying like this is not just about a career change, it's about life transformation, it's about becoming a woman. You always work dependent, creative. And well, it's that's why, as I said, because this is like a more a content writing who you are doing, not a conversion based email. So once you like give a little but not good enough content, you will get a result like this. But over here, I have a better prompt for you that can give you the much better output. So over here, let me show you the template first. So this is my PASS formula, right? So you are a persuasive copywriter who specializes in writing short, high converting sales email using the PASS formula. So first is persona. Define who is your audience, right? Their current state, goals, fears, frustrations, desires, and be specific, right? So every audience, right? Every certain audience is different. Their goals, their desire, their fears, frustration, everything is different. You need to know your audience first, right? The problem is when you don't define like your audience in a right way, AI consider just anything, right? So more and more women are choosing into step into something new, something meaningful, and one of the more empowering career part today. Do you think like your audience will able to relate with this? If you are a woman between 35 to 60 stuck in career that no longer excites you, maybe you're not your audience not is not stuck in the career that no longer excites, but they wanted to build now something. Maybe they are like a housewife super. So you need to give a more detailed input to the AI to actually give you something good, right? So here you have to give a proper detailed persona, right? So for example, a solopreneur coach making $5,000 who's overwhelmed manually doing lead generation wants to scale with AI but feels lost, right? A very simple example, right? But you have to give it a little more detail. Second is the angle over here. So the belief, objection, or insight we want to target. So what mindset do we want to shift, right? What do they believe now that's holding them back? What is the difference, right? You are going to build in their life. What is that angle? What is the shift? You have to give that. Okay. I'm talking about the sales emails over here, not just random email. This is a normal email, not a sales email. This is a content writing, not the copywriting that actually converts. Okay. Now the story, a mini relatable story that proves the belief shift. Okay. So you have to give it like some details about your business, how the shift came, how in your life, how in your customer's life the shift came, and then the solution that you are offering. Okay. So here in this prompt, I have give very detail about everything. Now let's see the example. Okay. Over here. So if you go over here, here give it like you are top pursuit email copywriter using the PSS formula, right? Short conversion focused sales email that build trust, shift beliefs, and move to the reader to the action without sounding salesy. Okay. So you are working to an online coaching course creator or who makes between $4,000 to $10,000 per month. They are overwhelmed with manual tasks, writing emails, onboarding clients, chasing leads, managing content across 3 4 platforms. They know AI exists, but they only use ChatGPT occasionally, right? And don't know how to make it work for their operations. So their dream is to scale without hiring more people or working more hours. They don't want to feel like a VA in their own business. They want freedom. Now just look at how much big and detailed persona I gave over here, right? So I am targeting to I am my audience is the people like who are in a business, right? But they struggling with different. They know AI can help them, but they don't know how. They know just they occasionally use ChatGPT and think like this is all AI can do, but in reality, AI can do much, much more. And even though they use ChatGPT, they don't know the right way to use it. So they don't get the actually good, efficient output from it. So they get us just okay kind of output and they feel, okay, this is good enough. But you don't know the real power that can be done. And that's what I'm helping over here. So, what is the angle? We want to shift the belief. AI is just a writing tool. AI can run your backend like a team of system. It's a far so their belief is just AI is a writing tool. They don't know much, right? But what AI can do, AI can run your backend like a team of systems. Is the fastest path to freedom of solo founders. Okay, so you can even run your whole business being a solo with the help of AI. Even you can do this. Now, after this, so optional line to emphasize urgency. They're already losing leads, missing follow ups, spending time on thinking a robot could do better. What is the story? So, last month I helped business coach build 4 no code AI workflow that replaced 5 to 6 hours of daily admin tasks. And now her follow up are automatic, leads are tagged, organized in the CRM, onboarding emails going out automatically without doing anything, even repurpose her YouTube videos into Instagram reels. So, and then it comes our CTA, right? So, wrap it up with a clear insight and invitation. AI is not just for us saving time, it's how smart solo founders scale without burning out. So, if you want me to help your own AI system that replace manual tasks with automation, reply AI. Now, look at this the detailed prompt that and the one that usually people give is this. You can clearly see how big difference over here is. So, let's see. Let's copy this prompt. Let me copy this prompt and come over here and give the same prompt over here. Let's see the result this time. Okay. So it is started writing and let's see. If you are still doing your own follow-ups, onboarding, repurposing content manually, you are basically your own VA. Last month, I helped a business coach automate 4 parts of her backend. No code, no headaches. We replaced 5 to 6 hours of admin with smart AI workflow. Leads get tagged, personalized follow-ups, new clients on board, YouTube videos turned. Now, she's coaching and closing, no chasing tasks. Here's the truth: AI is not just a writing tool, right? It's your unfair advantage as founder. If your back is not automated yet, backend is not automated yet, you're already losing leads, wasting time, and on things that robot could do better. Want to see what this could look in your business? Reply AI. And trust me, guys, this email is convert much more than this email. I mean, this email itself is not bad, but this is more like a email that people will read and turn off, right? Will read and go away. People won't take action much over here, but this is the email where people actually take the action. And why? Because we gave it a much detailed context over here, right? Now, this is a short email, but if you wanted to create a long email, you can go with the long one as well. The point is how much and what information you actually providing, right? So if you use this formula, this PASS formula, you can get it in a very right way. I have a complete prompt and I share this prompt is available to copy and paste in my AI membership. You can simply join it and copy paste all those prompts available there, right? I have a lot of different prompts, lot of different automations you can simply just copy and paste and use in your business without doing anything, right? Simply replace the square things in the square bracket with your own business and done. Now, uh, if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I keep uploading these kind of videos that helps your business to grow, right? If you're an entrepreneur who wanted to use the AI in your business or who wanted to grow your business but don't know what's the fastest, easiest way, well, I share with the help of AI, you can grow in a fastest way without hiring more people and without spending more money in the cheapest way possible and the fastest way possible. You can scale, you can make more money and grow your business. You can join my membership. Link is in the description and also in the first comment of this video. You can join it, and I will also do the weekly calls. I share a lot of different automations, lot of different AI tools, and I share not just something random. I share how you can reality scale your business with the help of AI tool in a right way. I already helped many people with the help of AI tool, and if you want the help, join my membership. I will see you there. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.